Hi, I'm Christy Conway with Charleston Home and Design Magazine, and I'm here at the Custom Home and Remodel Show at the Citadel's Johnson Haygood Stadium with Scipio
Williams, yeah.
Okay, of Lane's Professional Pest Extermination. How are you doing?
Good. It's professional pest elimination.
Oh, yes, that's exactly what I meant. So tell me, how's the show going for you?
It's going pretty good. I mean, we're seeing some good turnout. People are coming by asking a few questions. We're asking questions. So it's been pretty good.
Okay. So you don't think the rain has kind of gotten people to not show up?
No. I mean, it's been pretty steady. I think tomorrow's probably going to be a lot busier. You had some people that were at work, so when the weekend starts, everyone's going to start coming, and it's going to probably be a little bit better turnout.
Well, with rain, doesn't that drive bugs inside the house?
It absolutely does. A lot of times what you're going to end up seeing is the palmetto bug, which is the large cockroach. You're going to see a pickup in mosquitoes. And if the home is not well ventilated, you're going to probably see a pickup in termites. So those things are going to be what customers are going to end up calling an extermination company for. So
or an elimination company.
Exactly. There you go. And that's what we're here for.
Okay.
So yeah, so we're here to let everyone know that that's what we do, and we're here and we're ready to help them out and get them service. So absolutely.
And what kind of process do you have for that kind of elimination?
It really kind of depends. For most of that, for the palmetto bug, what we do is an exterior treatment where we pretty much make sure that the perimeter of the house is treated well. We have a mosquito treatment, which we're doing free services.
Nice.
So yeah.
Like a spray in the backyard?
It's a spray, but the way that we use it, it kind of kicks up all the leaves and everything, because mosquitoes don't need that much water to breed and hatch their eggs. So we kind of push everything around, make sure that the chemical gets everywhere it needs to get. So when they do try to lay their eggs, they'll get in it, they'll ingest it, and they'll just go away. In most cases, they won't even come around.
Okay.
So those perimeter defenses are the main things that we do for these kind of insects, and it's mostly to make sure that nothing from outside goes inside.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And how long has Lane's been in business?
We have been in business for 27 years. So 1980. Don't put that on there. They'll kill me.
A long time.
That's a long time. Yeah.
So you've gotten rid of a lot of bugs.
A lot of bugs. A lot of bugs. We're pretty large in the Myrtle Beach area and the upper parts of the state. The Charleston market is growing, which is why they went and got me. And so that's kind of what we're pushing into to make the Charleston market expand a whole lot more.
Now, isn't Lane's a family-owned business?
Absolutely, yes. Lane himself is no longer with us. He passed away in 2010. But his wife Susan still runs the company. Everything is still family-owned, and it's a really good company, very close-knit. We're a total of about 60 employees total. And like I said, the bulk is in the Myrtle Beach Surfside area, so that's where they're headquartered.
Well, we're about to have an issue come out in September, and we're talking mainly about remodeling. Do you have any tips for people that are remodeling for kind of pest removal or trying to prevent pests from getting in the new addition?
When you rip out what you're getting ready to remodel, call a pest control company immediately.
Oh, okay.
Because again, you're defending the house. So if you do that ahead of time, then you can avoid things coming in. Because when you do a remodel in your home, you're opening up your home to everything.
Right.
And that would be the prime time to get in there and get some good chemicals in your house. Not harmful to you or your pets, of course, but get things in the house so that while the remodeling is still going on, the protective barrier is already set.
That's a great tip.
Absolutely.
Now, for people who are remodeling or even people who just want to get rid of pests, do you have a website that people can check out?
Yes, we do. It's www.getlanes.com. They can go there and they'll send an email, and it'll go to the corporate office, and it'll probably go straight to Miss Susan, who's the owner of the company now. And she'll send it out where it needs to go. So absolutely. And that's how small we are. She'll take care of it.
And what about a phone number locally? It's true?
Do the 800 number. It'll be 800-813-4790.
Okay.
Is where they can call.
Wonderful. Absolutely. Well, thank you so much for speaking with me.
You're welcome.
And we've been speaking with Scipio. I'm so sorry. Of Lane's at the Custom Home and Remodel Show at the Citadel's Johnson Haygood Stadium.